In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images. Alt text, short for alternative text, is the written description that explains an image to anyone who can't see it. It's essential for accessibility because screen readers rely on it. And it also helps when images don't load or when someone is navigating quickly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add it and how to write it well. Start by selecting the image you want to describe. Click the image so it's highlighted. You'll usually see a border or small handles appear around it, which confirms it's selected and ready to edit. Next, open the alt text options. The fastest way is to right-click the image and choose alt text from the menu that appears. If you prefer using the toolbar, you can also go to the Format menu and choose alt text there. Either path opens the same panel or dialog where you'll enter your details. Different apps may lay this out a little differently, but the fields you need will be labeled clearly. You'll see a field for title. This one is optional. Think of the title as a short label that gives a quick cue about the image, like team photo at conference or bar chart of quarterly sales. Some platforms don't use the title at all, so it's fine to keep it brief or leave it blank if you're unsure. The most important part is the description. In the description field, write a clear, specific sentence or two that conveys the essential information someone would need if they couldn't see the image. Focus on the purpose of the image in your document. For example, instead of writing image of a dog, try golden retriever running on a beach at sunset. For a data visualization, you might write bar chart showing Q1 to Q4 sales increasing steadily, with Q4 the highest. Avoid filler phrases like image of or picture of, and keep it concise but meaningful. If the image is purely decorative and adds no information, a simple note like decorative divider is sufficient. Once your description looks good, and the optional title is set if you're using it, confirm your changes by clicking OK. That saves the alt text to the image so assistive technologies can read it aloud and so the description appears if the image fails to load. That's it. Click the image, open the alt text dialog from a right click or the Format menu, add an optional title, write a clear description, and click OK. Take a moment to review your wording for clarity and relevance, and you're all set.